Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Moore and I am your instructor for this 12-week English 101. This is week 0. The class does not actually start until next Monday, a week from today. However, I am sending you this video to encourage you all to dive in and complete the orientation this week. And everybody who has the orientation complete by Friday will get extra credit. Let's take a look at what is asked of you in the orientation. All right. When you log into our class in Canvas, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a little note right here that says this is a 12-week course. It is a 12-week course. Let's talk about that really quickly. Does that mean that you do less work than somebody who's taking a 16-week course? No, it doesn't. It means that you do 16 weeks worth of work in 12 weeks. So this is an accelerated class. And so you'll also see when you log in that I ask you to come back on September 10th, and lo and behold, that is today. Along this side, you should see a little picture of yourself here. If you don't already, then you will see one after orientation. Right here says inbox. This is where you will communicate with me. It's a better way to communicate with me than your Maricopa email address. Communicating with me in Canvas means that I'm only getting emails from students and not emails from everybody in the Maricopa Community College District. So you'll communicate there. When you come to our class, after you've watched this little video from me introducing myself, you're going to go into the modules. Loading. Come on. There we go. And you're going to see one module available to you, which is the orientation. And if you start here, you're just going to see some notes about some important things that you need to do, a little bit of notes about the tabs. You need to complete the orientation last-ditch effort by September 18th, but I'm hoping you all will get it done this week. Let's see here. There's an introduction discussion where you're going to introduce yourself. There's a little orientation quiz, but most importantly is this scavenger hunt. Let's take a look. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take a picture of yourself and upload it to your profile so that everybody could see your face or something. Maybe it's your cat or your dog. I prefer your face, but whatever. Here, okay, and this tells you how to do it. Change your notifications. Go into settings and make sure that you get notified of things that are going on in the class. I have my notifications to be really sensitive, so I get little text messages every time I even send a message or change something within Canvas. But you could have just, if I've left a comment on one of your assignments, you can find out about that. You could get alerts about that when a new module is open, things like that. Here, I'm asking you to introduce yourself in the class discussion page, that little intro discussion that I showed you a moment ago. You need to read the syllabus before you take the quiz. We have an ebook in this class through McGraw-Hill Connect. You need to register for McGraw-Hill Connect. You need to take the orientation quiz, which will relate to the syllabus. There are 4 online hybrid learning modules that you need to complete, and then you will take a screenshot of it and send that to me, preferably through inbox. And lastly, send me a message just stating that everything is completed, assignment 1 completed, again, in the inbox. So as you can see, there's kind of a lot on your plate just with the orientation. And then when the orientation is done, you have your first assignment in Learn Smart Connect. So here's a summary of the assignment, and you're actually going to have something that you have to do there where you'll talk to me about what you learned. But here are the links to the actual ebook assignments. So anyhow, what I'd really love for you guys to do is just go ahead and get started on the orientation. That way, if you have any problems or struggles, you can contact me right away and work those out. Everything in the orientation module, including the Connect assignments, is due by the middle of the first week of class. And then we have a whole other week's worth of work at the tail end of the first week of class. So the first week is kind of heavy. So take this opportunity to dive in. All right. Well, I look forward to meeting all of you and working with you this semester. It's going to be great, and I will see you in Canvas. Bye-bye.